Breakfast for today is this pancake. Oh my god. Cooked by my chef. This is my rice meal.
Ano yan ah?
Hi friends! Kakahiya mag-vlog. Today is my first day of RTO for the month of June. Today is June 2. Uy, dead mo sa tao talaga. Nahihiya ako. Guys, nahihiya na ako mag-vlog pero dead na. Sige, go. Kailangan kong masanay mag-vlog sa labas ng mag-isa. And eto na. Kaya samahan niyo na ako guys. So, see you guys later. Set up lang ako guys. Wala kaming permanent seat. Pero meron kaming assigned seat. Every RTO. Today, June 2, and then merong event HPC. Today, I was invited by Ate Frit. So, sasamahan natin siya mamaya. Binili natin yung camera, so kailangan natin i-ROI. Alam niyo ba guys, favorite ko itong upuan dito sa office kasi ito, yung armrest niya. Na-adjust. Yan. Tapos, pwede mo siya ilapit sa'yo. Ganyan. 11:57 AM na. Kasi naiya talaga ako. Ano ba yan? Kaninang umaga, sabi ko, gigising ako 5:30. So, nagkulot pa si sis. Yan. So, lagi tayo nagkukulot. So, by the way, pinagupitan ko tong buhok ko ng layered. Hindi ko alam kung halata ba. Pero layered na yan siya. By the way guys, ganito ako mag-work. Nagkaano muna ako, nagsiset up muna ako ng mga workload allocation ko. Tapos after nun, kapag may allocation na, ipa-priority ko siya based sa due cases. Although lahat naman kasi due and priority, pero kailangan mo talaga ng time management. Na-master ko na din talaga yung time management kasi as someone na mas gusto ko natatapos ahead of time para meron pa akong buffer ba. Buffer na, halimbawa, nagkaroon ng additional cases. Paano kayo nagmamanage ng time? So, comment down below. Uy, very vlogger yung comment down below. Kuha tayong water. Gasan natin. Na gusto mo ko. Ganong kakalupit, Ate Fritz.
Sorry, dapat pala. Demure.
Oo nga.
Pouch planner. Organizer.
Thank you po. Thank you, ate.
Okay, bakit tayo guys? Bakit?
Thank you po.
Patingin ka ako.
Ito.
Pwede mo patingin? Ay, wow. Hi, friends. So, nandito na tayo. Time check. 5:12. Nakapag-register na tayo. Picturean ko lang. Picture namin ni ate.
Start lang po. We have preparing our shrimp toast po and the chicken and mix sa atin.
Start. Hi friends, so time check. It's already 5:40. So waiting time. Unbox natin. Ganito po yung feeling pag may friend kang high performer. Di ba na, Ate Fritz? Naku yan ah.
Ganda.
Kuya, starter.
Sorry po.
What tayo ko yung starter?
Iyabang natin sa ano. Nagbugo face sa QC.
Oo. May starter kami guys. Chicken. Ano to? Appetizer. Appetizer number 1.
Darin, meron ka na?
Hindi, sige, meron.
Sige na.
Tawag dito. Mga oats.
Ang sarap kuya.
Hi, I'm Mariana Lambert in our incredible office in Dubai City.
Chicken.
Attendance
We have
po ng
two
mga
beautiful Bobby here that are truly lifesavers when it comes to preparing client and internal meetings. As you can see, we are very well taken care of here.
Body thank you.
WTW,
Kinala.
welcome to WTW. Cheers!
Lugi kay Ira G. Si Ira G lagi naka-smart casual eh.
Hi. One of the first things you'll get used to
Nagmumukbang
when
po
you join
talaga
us
kami dito.
is being greeted by our friendly security and reception staff. These are some of my amazing colleagues. Say hi!
Ginawang dos
We're
stress.
happy to have tools and event colleagues from the facilities team like Bobby face-to-face over
For memories ko. Guys. Ay, oh my God. Thank you.
Ang dami natin picture. Buha ka tayo.
Kinisa ko tayo.
Wow, ang ganda. Ang dami namin picture, guys. Wow. Sabi, sulit na sulit.
Sulit.
Grabe, sobrang sulit, guys, nung ano namin. Dami naming souvenir. Okay, di na kami magdi-dinner. Okay na.
Ganda nga, no?
Okay na kami sa picture. Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Guys, mga wala singgero. Kasi ito na.
Guys, look. Ito naman yung format. Pretty. Hi, friends. Just an update.
Close naman.
Pwede po siya po muna. Solo-solo. Uy, ang ganda.
One more.
Thank you po.
Ako dito.
So, may nakuha kami. Picture namin with Miss Ayet. Pretty. So, magko-collect talaga. Ay, ang ganda nito. Naka-thumbs up tayo. Congratulations!
Nice one, buddy. Sa'yo kami dito, buddy.
Yeah.
And nicer. And that is a rare combination. So for being an outstanding leader, I thought
Kapit ka na, buddy.
future Colby, please come to the stage.
Strong towards your goals. There is a strong community of colleagues here to always support you. Congratulations on your well-deserved award.
Grabe ka, buddy.
So galing.
We'd like to call Cedric and his
Can't
guests
comment.
to the stage
10
to
out of
receive his
Union provides strong support to both the Manila Police and the Consulting Office. Founding valuations. He served as the lead thinker and chief architect at the board delivery.
Hibiscus pala to. Akala ko strawberry drink. Guys, this is fish. Nung starter shrimp, chicken basil, pad krapao, rice, salad. Meron din tayong mango sticky rice. Guys, alam nyo paano kumain si Ate Fritz? Ganito. Ito yung kinain natin. Ganyan siya ka-organize. Kakainin niya muna yung isang portion. Tapos next portion. Medyo maalat to, pero okay lang. Ang alat ko nito. So, dinner's done.
Busog ako.
Ako
Yun yung
din.
mahalaga na busog.
Ang sarap na ng food na.
Doon ka sa picture.
Guys, sobrang paldo namin. Pati sa photo booth, paldo kami. As in, when you say paldo, paldo talaga.
Paldo.
Ang dami namin mamaya, mag-haul kami. Photo booth haul. Di mo
Tayo
kaya.
dito.
Yeah. Thank you, Ate Fritz, for inviting me. Nag-enjoy kami at the same time, nabusog kami. So, that's all, guys.